Hi there, my name is Taylor Brazelton. I'm the CTO of Proven, and here I've got my team with Nikki, our CEO, and Dhruv, our agentic software engineer. And we're going to do this deep dive. That is actually our pitch. So we have an AI guided interview that turns candid conversations into reusable proof that they can be presented to hiring managers. The hiring managers can quickly go through and you get more information and a better understanding of who you're looking to hire rather than just using resume backed approach that's been done before. I'm going to go ahead and pop into the prototype. And here it is. This is our deep dive. We built this with Codex. We use GPT 5.5 on XI. We had quite a bit here in terms of engineering and time spent planning. In fact, we found our planning to be the most useful thing, and we're on prototype 6, so we had quite a bit of iteration back and forth with Codex, but this is all open source. You can access this anywhere. Essentially, the thought is, at some point, you probably put in your resume, we'll gather some information on you, then we'll present this as kind of the next step in a interview process, where I, as an interview, will now move through this interview process. So let's start the interview. I'm going to allow access to my microphone and camera. We're going to start answering questions. Hey, my name's Taylor, the CTO of Proven, and let's say for this example, I'm actually looking for a senior software engineering job, preferably in the Seattle to Redmond area. Recently we had an issue where one of the libraries we were using in a UI and a file sharing app was actually only able to zip files up to about 4 gigabytes, and we weren't really sure what was going on. And so as we went through these customer support issues, and we actually ended up having to reach out to many of our customers to find out the issue and the actual root cause of the problem. And we found that it wouldn't work when they selected more than 4 gigabytes worth of files, a strange issue that we kept running into. A technical deep dive into it essentially resulted in the fact that the zip microservices that we were using only supported up to 32-bit. So we had to enable 64-bit zips, which was a swap of a library behind the scenes, and we were able to deploy that out quickly, and that got to our customers who were really happy because now they could download 10s, 20s, 100 gigabytes worth of files all at once in one zip file live stream. This is a great question. We actually did kind of a blue-green deploy for this microservice, and what we did was we kept the old one up. Boom, so now I'm going to have it generate the clip since we're running out of time. Boom, and it's talking to ChatGPT here. I have a minute and 25-second interview. It asked 3 questions around 3 topics with 1 clip, and it selected some timestamps to trim my video at. And this is where, at the end of the day, with some more time, we would be able to have a highlight reel, hopefully sub 30 seconds, that we'd be able to present to hiring managers. That is our demo. Thanks for watching.